Well, let's see if she'll start today. Oh, Lord have mercy. It's been a while. Snow's actually starting to melt. It's like 37 degrees out today. Digging on it. Let's see if she'll start. She wants to. We need to get a new electric choke. It's been a little while since she's been running. It's alive! Was alive. Cold-blooded. Oh, hopefully you guys are having a good day today. My day's not too bad so far. Cold-blooded, baby, cold-blooded. She might actually stay running now. Oh. Still got the air conditioning unit in it. It's alive. Sure wish my tranny wasn't all jacked up. Yeah, I know I got a trailer hitch on here. That's just wrong. I just haven't taken it off yet. It was on there when I bought the car. It's actually got a round hookup on it, which I've never seen a round one before. But yeah, baby started up. Really haven't done anything to this car since I bought it besides drive it a couple times here and there. And she just sits in the garage, unfortunately. Reminds me, I got some wiring issues down here. You probably can't see it. But I got some burn up wires and shit under there that I gotta take care of, and need to get my transmission fixed. But all in all, car's not in bad shape, really. I believe these quarters have been replaced before. Why this is down here. I've never seen a Camaro with trim way the hell down here. But that's gonna come off. Probably repaint this one of these days. If I ever get working again and get money rolling in. Get to working on my baby. Yeah. That's my girl. Might even start this up too. See if the bike will start up. Yeah, gotta love a Honda. Yep. All my toys are dirty right now. They all need a bath. Might just take them outside and give them a bath today, baby. Clean this stuff up. Anyway. Oh yeah, that's where I'm at on the gas tank. Really haven't done a whole lot to it yet, but I'm gonna get back on it today. Pack them dents in and get it sanded down so I get some primer on it. Anyway, yep, that's where I'm at. That's what's going on. Peace out.